because I'm teaching students to collect knowledge, and because I'm teaching social work, and social work is considered as a kind of profession that you are either in a social control area or you're in a social change area. And for me, I come very strongly from the social change area. And this is where Rangahau is really important, because I think to me it's fundamental in the sense of trying to understand the lived experiences of those people who social work is for. Most of them are Māori and the Pacific. And this is where Rangahau is so critical, because if you are going to work with Māori, and especially, then I think to get the real information that's important, you must then look at Māori methods of actually collecting that information. And Rangahau for me then is so critical in that sense, because we're validating, real meaningful way of actually sort of collecting information that's meaningful to the people that we're collecting the information from. And that's why Rangahau is really, really important in my work or my mahi.